File Explorer Reminders. I'm Huey Poplock. The File Explorer in Windows 11 operates similarly to previous versions with visible changes to align with the visual updates of Windows 11 and the addition of new features, such as tabs. Despite these changes, the core functionality of File Explorer remains largely unchanged. Over the years, I've done presentations on File Explorer, and I've been getting questions recently, so I thought I would remind you of some of the things about File Explorer and some of the things that you can do. Let's take a look at the different views that you can use with File Explorer. There might be different folders that you want to look at in different ways. First, you've got the extra large icons, and then we've got the large icons, and then we can choose medium icons or small icons, or you can go to the list mode. And then the old DOS look of details, and then tiles, and then content. For a more aesthetic view, you might want a more content showing of a compact view, which is what it is now. Or if you turn that off, you have more space between the various items, or you can go back to the compact view. You can resize each of the columns or all of the columns and add more columns if you wish. Let's take a look at what we can do here. This is what we have it set at now, and you can go to the view and then more, and then you can look down and you can add other items or columns. And let's add the word count. When we do that, we now have another column called word count. And in those documents, for instance, it will show you how many words that you have. Something that you may not be using that you should be familiar with is the preview pane and the detail pane. And let's right now take a look. We have the preview pane set, so we'll take a look at the preview pane first. And by going over to the right, we click on the preview, and you'll see a preview of each of the items as you click on them. The JPEGs will be showing you the pictures on the right. If it's a PowerPoint, it will show you a preview of the PowerPoint, and you can actually go through the slides from that preview. But however, when you get to a text, it says this file can't be previewed. There's no previewer for text files or for PDF files. So I did some research, tried to find out if there's any way you can use them. At this point, the only way you might be able to do that is with changes to the Windows registry, and I don't recommend that at all. Taking a look at the details pane, we're now going to click on it, and we will see each of the items. You'll see a picture maybe, and details about that particular item. These are information about the various JPEGs. You'll see that there's different amount of information depending upon what's available for each of the items. For the PowerPoint, it does give you some more information. It tells you how many slides there are and so on. Under the JPEGs, it tells you different items about how that picture was taken. On the text files, it will give you some information. It doesn't, again, show you a picture of the item itself, but for Word, it will give you some items, who the person who saved it, and so on. And then for a PDF, it will give you a small rendition of what the page looks like, and then some information on that PDF as well. This has been File Explorer Reminders. I'm Huey Poplock.